Prove that 2n plus 3 squared minus 2n minus 3 squared is a multiple of 8. So 2n plus 3 squared is just 2n plus 3 times 2n plus 3 minus the 2n minus 3 squared is 2n minus 3 times 2n minus 3. To expand brackets, you draw 4 lines, 2 for the first and 2 for the second. There they are there. So the first line, 2n times 2n is 4n squared. Then we've got 3 2n's, which is 6n. Third line, 3 2n's, another 6n. And then 3 times 3 with a plus is 9. Minus bracket, because it's minus this whole object here, and in the inside the whole object we've got 4 lines again. 2n times 2n is 4n squared, minus 6n, second line, minus 6n for the third, and minus times a minus is a plus. 3 3's are 9. That's what we've got then. So we've got 4n squared plus 12n plus 9 minus, we've got 4n squared here when we carry the minus through the whole thing, minus 4n squareds. Now this is minus 12n, but it's a minus 12n is a plus 12n. And then we've got a minus, and a plus is a minus, so that's minus 9. So the 9's cancel. The 4n squareds will cancel, won't they? And when we add the 12n and the 12n, we get 24 lots of n, which is equal to 8 lots of 3n, isn't it? Prove that that is a multiple of 8. So this is equal to 8 times 3n, which is a multiple of 8. Okay, that's 21 then. 22. Solve this quadratic equation. Give your solutions correct to 3 significant figures. So we're going to need to use the formula. So we've got, let's write it out, 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. So the number of x squareds is the a, the number of x's is the b, and the number here is c. The formula, which we'll write out, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a is the formula. So now let's put in the values. So minus b is minus 4, so it's minus 4 is plus 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared is minus 4 squared is 16. So hopefully we can see that there. I might make the pen a bit thicker here. 16. So there's no confusion. Minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is minus 2, over 2 lots of a, which is 3. So I've put all the numbers in here, so it's just a matter of working them out now then. So x is equal to then 4 plus or minus the square root of, over, this is 6 here underneath, and this is 4 times 3 is 12, 12 2s are 24, plus 16, so we got 12 2s 24, 30, 40. So that equals then 4 plus or minus root 40 over 6. So I'm going to move this calculator over here, squeeze it in there. Okay, 4 plus, so bracket on top, 4 plus the square root of 40. On top, close the bracket, divide by 6, equals decimal. To 3 significant figures is 1.72. and that was to 3 significant figures. And the other one, so instead of plus, it was 4 minus root 40, wasn't it? Let's just change that to a minus. Over the 6 equals decimal. Minus 0.3, 3 significant figures is here. So it's 387, isn't it, with a minus 0.387. That's also to 3 significant figures. Okay, so 1.72 and minus 0.387.